The AI gold rush is far from over, but the smart money isn't just chasing headlines anymore. They're digging deeper, uncovering undervalued gems in the shadows of the tech giants. Today, I'm revealing 7 AI stocks, each trading for less than $10, that possess the foundational tech and strategic positioning to deliver outsized returns. Don't go anywhere, because the important data comparison awaits you at the video's conclusion, breaking down their critical metrics. First on our list is HIMX Technologies Inc., ticker HIMX, a Taiwan-based fabless semiconductor leader specializing in display imaging processing, with a formidable presence in automotive displays, smartphones, and emerging AR/VR devices. Despite facing near-term market headwinds, including an expected full-year 2025 revenue decline of 8.2% to $832.2 million, HIMX projects improved momentum in the second half of 2026. This resurgence is fueled by robust automotive projects, where they command approximately 40% market share in automotive DDICs and over 50% in TDDI solutions. Crucially, HIMX is strategically diversifying into higher-margin AI technologies like ultra-low-power WiseEye AI sensing and co-packaged optics for AI data centers. While Morgan Stanley recently downgraded HIMX to equal weight with an $8 price target due to broader non-AI semiconductor weakness, they anticipate more positive contributions from OLED and WiseEye in 2027, with a forward PE of 13.61 for FY 2026. The market is pricing in significant future earnings growth. Their collaboration with Vuzix, unveiled at CES 2026 for lightweight AR glasses, underscores their innovative edge in a rapidly expanding market. Next up, we have One Stop Systems Inc., ticker OSS, a pure-play leader in ruggedized high-performance computing for AI, machine learning, and autonomy, primarily serving defense, aerospace, and industrial sectors. Following the strategic $22.4 million sale of its Bressner Technology subsidiary in December 2025, OSS now boasts approximately $40 million in net cash, earmarked for future growth. The company reported robust Q3 2025 revenue, up 36.9% year-over-year to $18.8 million, with impressive gross margins of 45.6% for its core segment. OSS has raised its full-year 2025 revenue guidance to $63 to $65 million and projects 20 to 30% annual growth for 2026. Recent contract wins are significant, including a $1.2 million order for U.S. Army combat vehicles and a $2 million initial order from an autonomous equipment manufacturer with a projected $10 to $15 million 5-year pipeline. Analysts like Alliance Global and Roth Capital have raised their price targets to $9 with buy ratings, recognizing OSS's strengthened balance sheet and focused pure-play strategy in the burgeoning edge AI market. Our third pick is Lantronix Inc., ticker LTRX, a global provider of compute and connectivity IoT solutions, with a rapidly growing footprint in edge AI across smart cities, enterprise IT, and commercial defense unmanned systems. The company is seeing significant momentum in its drone segment, which is set to become a material revenue contributor. Lantronix has raised its fiscal 2026 drone revenue outlook to $8 to $12 million, with projections of 15 to 20% of total revenue by fiscal 2027. This growth is bolstered by expanding OEM engagements and a key partnership with Safe Pro Group, developing AI-driven embedded chipsets for drone platforms. Financially, Lantronix reported 17% year-over-year revenue growth in Q2 FY 2026, delivering an EPS of $0.04, which beat expectations, and has strengthened its balance sheet by reducing debt and generating positive operating cash flow. Despite some stock volatility and generally accepted accounting principles net losses, Lantronix's differentiated edge AI platform and platform-led approach offer compelling operating leverage and positioning in high-growth markets, making it an intriguing play for long-term growth. Next, Quantum Computing Inc., ticker QUBT, a technology company at the forefront of quantum computing systems, photonic integrated circuits, and quantum security. QUBT distinguishes itself with its revolutionary room temperature photonic quantum technology, eliminating the need for competitors' costly extreme cooling systems. The company has substantially fortified its financial position, raising over $1.5 billion in 2025, providing a robust runway for its ambitious development. Q3 2025 saw revenue rise to $384,000, and surprisingly, a positive EPS of $0.01. A strategic game-changer is QUBT's new thin-film lithium neobate fabrication facility in Arizona, making it the only US-based manufacturer in this emerging high-demand area. While its approximately $2 billion market cap appears disconnected from current revenue, the recent $110 million acquisition of Luminar Semiconductors and Rosenblatt Securities, initiating coverage with a $22 price target, underscore its long-term potential in a speculative yet transformative market. This is a pioneering company in a sector poised for explosive growth. SoundHound AI Inc., ticker SOUN, takes the fifth spot, a trailblazing voice AI company delivering conversational AI solutions across diverse industries like automotive, restaurants, IoT, and enterprise. The company's revenue growth is nothing short of remarkable, surging 120.5% year-over-year in the last 12 months, with analysts forecasting a continued 98% growth for fiscal year 2025. This impressive trajectory is powered by proprietary technology, including speech-to-meaning and the new Agentic Plus platform, protected by approximately 400 active patents accumulated over 2 decades of innovation. While SoundHound faces profitability challenges with negative EBITDA and EPS, management anticipates reaching adjusted EBITDA break-even by the end of 2026, supported by a strong balance sheet boasting $269 million in cash and zero debt. Its acquisition of Interactions aims to bolster enterprise AI capabilities. Despite some analyst caution regarding valuation, bullish outlooks from H.C. Wainwright and Cantor Fitzgerald, coupled with a recent partnership with Bridgepoint Technologies to accelerate enterprise adoption of its AI agent platform, highlight its significant growth potential. Our sixth stock is BigBear.ai Holdings Inc., ticker BBAI, an artificial intelligence company specializing in decision intelligence for government and commercial clients, particularly in national security, defense, and supply chain management. BigBear.ai recently made a significant financial move, converting $125 million of convertible senior notes into common stock, slashing its note-related debt to a mere $17 million. This strategic deleveraging frees up capital for growth. The company also completed a $250 million acquisition of Ask Sage, a generative AI platform already serving over 100,000 users across 16,000 government teams. This move positions BigBear.ai to capitalize on anticipated government AI investments with secure generative AI workflows. Despite a Q3 2025 revenue decline of 20.1% year-over-year and ongoing unprofitability, BigBear.ai boasts a strong cash position of $715 million, providing substantial operational flexibility. While Cantor Fitzgerald downgraded the stock to neutral, citing GTM challenges and margin pressures, its strategic acquisitions and focus on a high-value government client base present a unique long-term AI opportunity. Concluding our list is Asana Inc., ticker ASAN, a cloud-based work management platform leveraging its proprietary work graph data model. Under new leadership, Asana is strategically pivoting toward AI innovation, enterprise growth, and operational efficiency. Fiscal year 2026 Q3 results were encouraging, beating expectations with an EPS of 7 cents and revenue of $201 million, up 9% year-over-year. The company boasts impressive gross profit margins of nearly 90% and maintains a cash-rich balance sheet. Asana is rapidly integrating AI into its platform with the launch of AI Studio and AI Teammates, designed to create new revenue streams beyond traditional seat-based models. Key metrics show resilience, improved net revenue retention at 96%, and strong international growth, despite a significant stock drop from its 52-week high, reflecting broader market concerns about growth deceleration and competition from giants like Microsoft. Asana's strategic focus on AI innovation, coupled with recent analyst upgrades from KeyBank and Citi, signals a compelling turnaround story with substantial upside potential in the collaborative work management space. All right, let's examine the numbers that truly matter. Take Asana, for instance. While its current price is just $7.01, it boasts an incredible 89.5% gross margin and a substantial $773.6 million in revenue. signifying a highly efficient business model despite its current negative EPS. HIMX Technologies, which at $7.50 offers a compelling 4.9% dividend yield and a solid $832.2 million in revenue, making it the revenue leader among this group. Its positive EPS of 25 cents also indicates a company that's already generating profits for shareholders. One Stop Systems at $9.13 and Lantronix at $5.86 both show considerable potential but are still navigating profitability, reflected in their negative EPS figures. However, their gross margins of 29.0% and 43.1% respectively, along with their strategic positioning in high-demand AI segments, reveal underlying strength. Then we have the high-risk, high-reward plays. Quantum computing, priced at $7.76, has a market cap of $1.76 billion, but minimal revenue at just $546,000. This is clearly a bet on future innovation, with its 36.4% gross margin hinting at the potential if its technology scales. Similarly, SoundHound AI and BigBear.ai, both trading under $8, have substantial market caps for their price points. SoundHound's $148.4 million in revenue and 39.7% gross margin showcase significant market traction, while BigBear.ai's lower 27.3% margin indicates challenges in its operational efficiency. These are hidden potent AI stocks under $10, each with unique catalysts and significant upside potential. Which of these 7 hidden AI gems do you think has the strongest long-term potential, and why? Drop your insights, predictions in the comments section below. And if you're looking for even more hidden AI opportunities, don't miss our video right here on 4 hot stocks under $50 exploding right now.